Hello world, here's PD, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today we will talk about XRP. All coins are going down, but XRP makes a move to the upside, 4.6%, the only coin in plus here. All other coins are going down. Why? We will check this now, and where are the next targets for XRP. Let's go, guys. So we can see here, Bitcoin is going down 4%, Ethereum 4%, the Binance coin 2%, Solana 4%, ADA 4%, but XRP is making a nice move to the upside, 4.5%. What's the big thing with XRP? Guys, I found this news here. Let me show you this news here. XRP price reacts by adding 15% to its value as former Coinbase CEO Brian Brooks tells Congress to let them in. So maybe, guys, maybe it's possible that XRP will become a relisting here on Coinbase, and that will make a nice move to the upside for XRP, guys. That's a possible thing. We need to watch this, guys. It's really important. And if we are watching here, guys, this video here from me, I told you here on December the 6th, XRP is going sideways a little bit to the downside. Everything is bearish, but with this news, guys, everything can change for XRP. XRP can make maybe a next nice move to the upside. And we will check now together what's the big thing with XRP if you are watching this chart picture here. The bad stuff for XRP was this one, guys. We saw here a parallel channel to the upside and we broke it to the downside. We broke it to the downside with a really bad wick. But after this wick, we went up again and we are still in this parallel channel to the upside. The next bad thing is, guys, we made here this triangle. What happened with the triangle? We broke it completely to the downside. And guys, you know it. If we are breaking something to the downside like this one, we have a really bad target to the downside, because the target of breaking down this big triangle is, let me show you here, nearly to 0. So it's not so important to watch. It's a really bad stuff to break this triangle to the downside, and that's happened to XRP. Now the big thing is, guys, can we go back? Can we see the next move to the upside? And if we can see the next move to the upside, where is the next target? So let me remove all drawings. Let's start with a really fresh analysis here for XRP. This is the 4-hour time frame, and let's watch this, guys. First of all, yes, a really big uptrend. We have to draw it like this one. This was the old picture. The next thing is, guys, yes, we are in a big downtrend, this one, so we have to draw it like this one. The bad downtrend is a red one, the uptrend is a green one. So you can see we are still back in the uptrend, but we are still now in this downtrend, and we need to break out of this downtrend. The next thing, what we can see here, is the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point, and this was this point here. So what are the next things to watch for XRP? Let's zoom in a little bit more. You can see, first of all, we see this yellow line. That's the Fibonacci 0.236 at 86 cents. This is now our support because we broke out over this Fibonacci line. The next Fibonacci we need to watch is here on $1.07, the 0.382 Fibonacci line. So if it's possible, if we will see a relisting on Coinbase, if it's possible to make a nice move to the upside for XRP, $1.07 is the next big thing we need to watch. And now, guys, I'm going in the 1-hour time frame. So here we are, and in the 1-hour time frame, we can make a next little parallel channel from this point here to the upside to this point. This is a little red parallel channel to the upside. You can see a middle line here. We can zoom in a little bit more. This is the 1-hour time frame, and you can see this blue line is the next big support here for XRP. You can see we saw here a big fight with this line down again. The next big fight with this line down again. Now with this candle, we broke nice to the upside, and now it is a support. So guys, you know it, this 88 points or 89 cents here is the next big support here, because it's the middle line to the upside. And the big question is now, how far can we go with XRP? What's the next big thing? And guys, the next big thing, let's zoom out a little bit more and a little bit more. The next big things are, you know it, guys, the Fibonacci lines to watch. The next things are this Fibonacci lines to the upside, if we can break out more and more. And let's zoom out again to the 1-day time frame. You can see on the 1-day time frame, we are building this big triangle, this big fat triangle, this one here. I will make it yellow here for you guys so you can see it better. A line from here to here and a line from here to here. Yes, we saw a breakout under this one. We are back in again, guys. We are back in again, this big triangle. And guys, if this big triangle can break out to the upside, we have a really nice target. I will show you. So you know it, guys. We can draw a line from the highest point here to the lowest point to this line here, and we can use this line for a breakout. It depends always, guys, where we will break out from the triangle, but maybe here or here or here. What can we see? We can see if we can break out this triangle from this point to the upside, we have a really big target. And let me show you, it's maybe this point, the 1.618 Fibonacci at $2.85. $2.85 is maybe a next big target for XRP. If we can use this positive news, if we can see a relisting on Coinbase, if we can see all this nice stuff for XRP, it's possible to see a nice breakout to the upside to this point. And yes, of course, we have some other things to watch. If we are watching the Fibonacci retracement for here, from here to the downside, we have a next thing, guys, $4.29. But that's really far away. The next big thing, if we can break out this big new triangle that we can see here, the upside is, in my opinion, $2.84. It depends always where we will break out. If we will break out the triangle here on this point, it's a little bit lower, here on $2.64, but it's not so important for the moment. More important for the moment is to break out to the upside, to watch these Fibonacci lines. And guys, if we can see a nice breakout to the upside, I will make the next leg, the next update here for you. And I will tell you what's my long position, where's the next point to take profit, where is my stop loss, and so on, and so on, and so on. Guys, this was a little update for XRP because it's really important now to watch it. And let me show you, last but not least, let me show you this one here. Because if we are watching now for XRP, what is the price prediction here for CoinCodex? For some days it was not so good, but now if we are watching it here, let me show you the prediction, and it is now a little bit better. You can see it maybe up to $1 or 90 cents, sorry, 90 cents, guys, maybe down again, 84 cents, up again, a little sideways. This is telling us this prediction for the next days. But everything can change here if this news will make a big impact, guys. And you can see we are not anymore more bearish as bullish. We are more bullish with 59% as bearish with 41%. That's really nice. And now let's go down and down and down again. Here, let's click off show more, and we can see a maybe target to the year of the end, the end of the year, guys, December 31. Maybe we will see $1.13 here with a plus about 26%. It's possible for XRP. So guys, it was a really important update if you are trading XRP, because we have now changed this one here from a bearish to a bullish sign for XRP. And I think it's really possible to show you this one here, guys. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope we will see a breakout, something like this, and I will make a next update if we will see some news here for XRP. Guys, bye. Have a nice time. Yours PD, your Bitcoin trading info man. And guys, very important, it's not a financial advice. Bye. System activated.